Come with us as we design our Boho Chic Christmas collection. This collection is filled with beautiful pinks, emerald greens, reed bushes, and some really pretty ribbons. We've also got some feather ornaments and some leopard print ornaments that we're adding in this collection. So here you're gonna see we're trying out a new ribbon technique for this Boho Chic Christmas theme. We're gonna fold it 3 times like so, and then we're gonna twist it in between the branches to secure it, just to give it a more ripple effect. This is a smaller tree, so we didn't have to use near as much ribbon. We did 3 strands of this down the tree in this same technique. Now we're cutting and prepping our ribbons for our bows that we're gonna make. The first ribbon that we're going to work with is this 4-inch white jute netting, and you can see it's pictured down here below. So if you'd like to, you could shop these items on our website at www.tmigifts.com. We're going to layer those on top of each other at an angle. Then we're going to layer on top of that this 2.5-inch pink striped ribbon, and then a 1.5. So you can see we've used different sizes. This really creates a really beautiful bow. So we're gonna go ahead and zip tie that. If y'all have seen any of our other videos, you know that we love to use our zip ties. It just makes it so much easier. So we're gonna place another zip tie in behind that so that we can secure that nicely to the tree. We like to always go ahead and fan our ribbons out and make sure the bow is nice and fluffed up. And then if you have to touch it up a little bit more after attaching it to the tree, you can always do that as well. One of the things that I really think that makes this whole theme a really boho chic look is these reed bushes. And then we're gonna go ahead and pop in our sprays and our picks. We're gonna use this glitter ball berry spray in emerald, which ties well with that 1.5-inch ribbon. And then we're gonna go in with a light pink glitter spray on top of that. Then we're gonna go in with our ornaments, and you can see here we're taking the string and we're wrapping it around that branch so that the ornament sits up higher and is more secure. This feather ball ornament is truly one of the cutest ornaments we've ever seen. Then we've decided to add a little bit of leopard print to this theme, so we have decided to use this pink leopard print gift box ornament, which we think pairs very well with the whole theme of the tree. If you're looking for more of a boho chic Christmas theme, this is the theme for you. I also think this would be really cute in a dorm room or a little girl's room. If you're interested in shopping this look, you can find it at www.tmigifts.com. Look under our Christmas collection and you'll find this collection under Boho Chic Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to let us know what you think about this Christmas theme in the comments below.